How to turn on Spotlight Replies notification on your Snapchat. Today guys, I will teach you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go to Snap and open it. Then when Snap is opening, go up and open your profile. Then when your profile is opening, as you see, go here in setting and click. Then go to notification here, click, then you will go down and you will find here Spotlight Replies, and you will turn on this option by clicking on this icon, and it will work with you. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next videos.